Today we're going to talk about nature will provide. People go out and buy burlap, buy wood pellets, buy a bale of pine needles, a bale of straw. We just had a couple of weeks of rain and I just now got around to mowing the grass. Piles of raked up grass down there, a couple out by the road. Got a 50-gallon, well no, it's a 45-gallon tank, garbage can. I'll pack that sucker as full of this stuff as I can. And it's free. All I've got to do is rake a little, get a little cardio in. And it's free. You know me, I'm the beekeeper on the cheap. So that's just a little tip. Why pay for something when you can get it for free? Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Enjoy, like, share, and subscribe.